Power Trick or Trade. Alright people, I'm going to be talking about PYPL. Now PYPL is a setup I am going to discuss inside of PowerGroupTrades for my serious followers. So what's this video going to do? It's going to explain to you how to become a serious follower and what Power Trick or Trade has been all about. So let's go take a look at what I'm talking about. Alright people, so here I am on Power Trick or Trade on Twitter. Okay, now basically, how do you become a serious follower? Well, all my serious followers, what you do every day on any of my posts is called, you do a retweet and a like, right? Now, you have to click on that and you'll see the number go up, and then you click on that number, and what it'll do is it'll also put it onto your stream. Of course, you cannot have a locked account, okay? And another thing you want to have is called a profile pic, and that could be a picture of yourself, of success, or something to do with stocks, something in those lines, something respectable. Okay, so keep that in mind. You need to have a profile pic. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to subscribe to, how to follow me on PowerGroupTrades. You're basically a serious follower. You're basically watching the market on a daily basis, and every day, as you're looking at the posts, right, or plans. For example, this BABA plan I posted inside of PowerGroupTrades, okay, and it shows all the information from start to end, okay, and basically you can see here what you do as a serious follower is you make sure, especially on the winning plans, right, is you do a retweet and a like. Okay, now if you're new, I'm going to give you a tip. Okay, now if you contact me and you haven't done what I'm explaining in the video, I won't be putting you inside because the video is explaining everything, right? So people, and I'm going to be talking about the PayPal plan inside of PowerGroupTrades for my serious followers, right? This is the format I'm doing. So basically, every day, okay, you do a retweet and a like. Sometimes there's going to be a few of them to do a day. Maybe there's going to be 3 or 4, but you do a retweet and like. Retweet and like, right? Now, I'm going to give you a tip. If you are new, do 20 of them. So basically, how long does it take to do 20 retweets and likes? Well, let's take a look. Let's do it together. Retweet like 1. Retweet like 2. Retweet like 3. Retweet like 4. Right? You get it? Retweet like 5. Retweet like 6. Right? So I get some people telling me that you get the picture. It takes less than 2 minutes. And the 2 minutes being a long time. So let me tell you one thing. If you don't make the time to do something like this, trust me, coming from me, you're going to fail in the markets, because that means you don't pay attention to what's going on. And what retweets and likes tell me is that you are paying attention to what's going on, right? You should be always reading. Well, you're going to be reading what's inside, but what I'm saying is you want to share the power with other people by showing them, and by not taking the time to do a retweet and like. This means you're a lazy person, a selfish person, in my opinion, because you can't take, and of course, the next big thing too is also making comments sometimes, okay, especially on the winning plans that perhaps you missed the plan, or how you wish you took the plan, or how you witnessed the power, something. You want to make comments. You see that? And so you could do, but most of the time, simply do retweets and likes, okay? And again, a quick tip, simply do 20 of them, and that'll get you a fast track right inside of PowerGroupTrades, okay? Send me a message. Tell me even why you want to become a follower on PowerGroupTrades. It's another thing you can do. These are things that the smart, intelligent people will do. The people who don't do these things, that tells me you're a donkey, you're a clown. You're going to fail anyways in life and in the markets. I guarantee you people that. I guarantee you that. Let me show you some more information here now. Now, let's go to my YouTube channel. You can find that by clicking right here. Let's do that right now. Alright people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plan. Now listen people, I post these videos to educate. I have a created playlist. It shows you plans from start to end. Many times on Power Trick or Trade, what I've done is posted the plans, the video plans, from start to end. From the confirmation, everything. You have to, again, I'm telling you right now, if you want to know the truth, if you want to see the power, you want to study these videos that I make, especially what's in the created playlist right now. It's old, it's a lot of the stuff that's happened throughout the year, okay? And like I said, this video is telling you what you should be doing. Why do you want to, by the way, why do you want to subscribe to this channel? As a serious follower, you want to do likes to the video. So, for example, let's say we're going to go into this video. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, let's go into this video. Okay, so for example, I'm inside this video, but what you see here is called a like and a dislike, of course. Now, dislikes are something that, clowns do, or, people that are, just, jealous or crazy people. But you can see the majority of the video gets likes, so it's a lot higher. The ratio is much higher. So as a serious follower, you want to support the videos because, you know the positive. You're a serious follower. You're witnessing the power. You love what I do, right? And so basically, you hit the like button on anytime I post the videos on Power Trick or Trade, right? So you want to hit the like button, okay? So as you can see, to hit the like button, it really takes less than 3 seconds. You follow what I'm getting here, people? To be a serious follower, it really takes a very little bit of time every day. And then, of course, once in a blue moon, you make comments, right? That's a thing that all serious followers should be looking to do on your own. Common sense, right? Social media, right? And so Power Trick or Trade, I says, okay, you want to be a serious follower. I put the great plans, right? You're having the big picture expert on your side, right? You're sharing that power with other people. All right, so here we're back at Power Target Trade. So basically, listen, people. Okay, how do you become a serious follower? Well, PowerGroupTrades, right? Now, we want to, first of all, like I said, if you don't have a YouTube account, open one and subscribe to this channel. I do live streams, people. I do live streams, right? My website's over here, and the link for the Power Trick or Trade Twitter is right over there, right? Now, let's go back to Power Trick or Trade on Twitter. Okay, so here we are back on Power Trick or Trade on Twitter. So again, you type in the search bar Power Group, right? Oop, spelled wrong over here, right? That's why it wasn't coming up. So PowerGroupTrades is a locked account. Basically, you have to send me a request, right? But like I said, don't send me a request unless you do all what I'm explaining inside this detailed explain video. If you can't do that, I see this. You see, you have to understand, people. I will see that you don't understand, that you're not a serious follower, that you do not know how to follow simple instructions, and you think you're going to have a chance to be successful in the market. I guarantee you, you will not. I guarantee it, people. So, again, how to become a serious follower? Well, and I'll be talking, of course, about that PayPal plan in this particular video. Now, this video, it may not, when I release it later on, it may not count for the PayPal part, right? But there'll be other plans posted. For all my plans, you want to be a subscriber. You want to be first of all, you want to be a follower, of course, on Power Trick or Trade, but you also want to follow, do the retweets and likes like I explained in the video. It's very simple. And again, if you want to get yourself right inside this quickly, you do 20 of them quickly. You're a new person, right? Or if you haven't been doing these things and you're behind, catch up. Simply go to the newest ones and work your way down. Retweet, like. Honestly, it really takes a little bit of time. Retweet, like. The number will go up. I'm not clicking on it. You understand this, right? But retweet, like. Now, after I did this kind of video, you have to understand this. After I make a video like this explaining all these detailed facts, and you as a person do not know what to do, or are not doing the right things, can you understand why I won't be putting you inside of PowerGroupTrades? It's almost insane. There's a lot. There's a lot of people who just don't have what it takes to succeed in life. Okay, and I guarantee you, if you can't do the things I'm explaining, or you are not able to maintain being a serious follower inside of PowerGroupTrades, I guarantee you your success will be a big F in the market. Big picture, long term, Big F. Trust me on this, people. Power Trigger Trade, I'm a big picture expert. Being correct while many being wrong. Many mutual fund managers were all wrong in 2017. And I show someone called the stock bookie, the stock clown, how bearish he was back in 2016. And he is supposedly a very highly expert person. But not only did I massacre him, I put him under my foot. I show the truth and the power between me and him. I led the whole year while many mutual fund managers have been wrong in the market. Power Trigger Trade has put so many winning plans. And inside a small list, most services can't do what I'm doing because they need to show you 20 ideas. And you still got to figure out of the 20 ideas, which ones to get in. I narrow it down to the highest probabilities. And my rates are very high, win rates within a small list. So you want to be a serious follower. You want me on your side. You want to share. You want to do what I tell you to do because I'm Power Trigger Trade. And you are a happy follower. And you want to be a serious follower. And you want to be inside my group. You just don't want to be a follower of Power Trigger Trade. Now, you can follow me on Power Trigger Trade, but if you want everything involved, right? You want to do these things. You want to subscribe to this channel, right? Because I'm going to be doing live streams, people, on top of the videos. And I'll be doing videos here and there. But you want to become a serious follower, and that's what you do. There you have it, people. Now, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. I've explained everything. I made it very easy. Alright, people, now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Trigger Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.